Hello, this is Eric Meeks. It's late afternoon on a Saturday, and we're going to shoot a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home in Villa Portofino, which is a 55-plus community here in Palm Desert. You're going to love this home. It's beautiful. I always like doing a quick pan of the neighborhood so you can see everything's very well manicured. I like the driveways with the stones done in and with the brick streets that are in. Everything is in extremely nice condition. And that says this home is spectacular. You're going to love it. Okay, so we're going to go inside right now. You'll see that we have a little bit of an antechamber here as we come up to the front door, giving you some shade in the summer and some place in the winter so that you can keep dry. As we come this way here to the left is a guest bedroom with, deluxe doesn't cut it. You're going to see everything. It's very stylish. The gentleman selling this home are stagers of homes, and this is their personal home. So you're going to see somebody who likes to live what they talk about, and they have done a fantastic job. This home can be bought purchased. Okay, so the purchase price of $885. There's a 2-car garage in there, by the way. Nothing fancy, but it is drywalled and nice, and you would love it. Okay, over here we have our second guest bedroom. This was a den that they built additional closets in so that it could be in an official bedroom. Everything that you see can go with the home. There might be a few personal items that I miss, but as I've been told, it's as it's shown. If it's in a cabinet, though, those are definitely off limits. But you'll notice TVs, nice cabinetry, flooring, okay, throughout the home, artwork. Even the plants outside have been strategically placed to enhance the property. I like the high ceilings that are in it too. All the rooms are large, by the way. It's that office that I was just in there was very nice and about 20 feet square. The bathroom in here, they do have automated lights, so they'll turn on if the house is dark. But right now, everything's been turned on so that I can walk through and just flow. Love the kitchen. This countertop, okay, it's very nice. Okay, what we've got on it, I think that's called a barn sink, a single bay barn sink sort of thing. Stainless steel appliances. As you can see, white cabinets. It's a Samsung microwave, lots of cabinet space. A very open kitchen, living room feel, giving you that great room with the dining room built in. I'm going to go to the left here in just a second so you can see the laundry. LG appliances. I like with the stackable bottoms, okay, on it there. Lots of little accents throughout the home, from the recessed lighting that's in there to the hanging lights in this part. Large TVs, that's probably a 65, 75-inch TV right there. Out back, we have a nice rug put on the ground. See if I can step out here. There we go. Beautiful sitting area. You can enjoy the blue skies. The high walls there really protect the sound. There's actually a fairly significant road on that side. It's Country Club Drive. But because of how this is laid out, the retaining wall and then the regular wall, you barely hear anything. This would be a place where it's more just white noise. This would be a great place to just sit and enjoy the afternoon like this in the shade, but it's still warm. Today it's probably in the mid-70s. We're going to go over to the primary room now. It's very plush, soft where you want things to be soft, carpets where you like them. Nice TV here even in the bathroom. I like the unique art put on the walls. Very stylish furniture. And the primary bath. This is a place where you could really pamper yourself. You can see the deep soaking tub there. That's a tub built for at least 2. Love the shower. Love it. Lots of room in there for a deep soak and scrub. a private toilet area. I'm not going to go through their closet, but a large walk-in closet. And this could be yours. I'm going to probably go back to the kitchen. I think this will be a good place to end the video. And there you have it. A large 3-bedroom, 3-bath with a den, a large master room, or primary, not master, primary, a large great room that sit here right off the kitchen, which as you can see is a chef's delight. My name's Eric Meeks. Thank you for watching this video. Please contact us here at RE/MAX if you have any questions. Have a good day.